like what is this training program all about, what are the different topics we are going to cover as part of this training program. Okay, so that way each one of you knows like what to expect from the from this training. Okay, just a recap so as to ensure that like whether you joined it or whether you did not join it, it should not impact you. And then from tomorrow onwards we will start with our first topic for the day. Okay, so this is just to level set the playing field, that whatever what all topics we are going to cover, how we are going to cover, and all that. Now this entire business analyst training has been divided into two major parts. Okay, that is, first is introduction and the second one stands for SDLC. Okay, so
Here today, anyone are newly joined to the class? I think Prakash and Shantama. Okay, hi Shanti. Hi, good morning. Okay, hi Prakash, good morning. Yeah,
Hello, sir. Good morning.
good morning Prakash. Okay, so coming to the, okay, thank you Prakash and Shanti for joining this class. Okay, and other people, I think the people are yesterday also joined the previous classes also, no worries. Okay, like we'll guide you Prakash and Shanti, okay, on each point of this particular scenarios, whatever it may be. Like we are starting just only how to create an application and how to create an object set particular things, Prakash. Okay, I'm
Sure.
sharing my screen. Let me try to share my entire screen. Okay, like what are the things which I'm teaching? Each and everything is being uploaded in the drive. Okay, I'm showing the drive, whatever it may be. So recently, yesterday, the drive is created. For example, if I'm creating some drive, okay, just I'm uploading the notes. This is the drive. Okay, here only I'll upload all the files, whatever it may be. Yeah, these are the things. And another thing is like coming to yesterday class, what we discussed. Coming to yesterday class, I discussed about how to create an application. Okay, this is the structure. How to create an after that we need to create an application. Inside that particular application, we need to create an objects. Okay, inside that particular objects, we need to create a fields. Okay, inside that particular like we need to create it. After that, we need to create a tabs. Okay, the basic structure. After that, we need to create a page loads. Okay, after that, we need to create a record types. Okay, this is a basic structure. First, we need to create an application. After that, we need to create objects. After that, we need to create a fields. Okay, like this is the basic structure. Coming to yesterday class, okay, I am starting with University of Recruitment Education application. University of Recruitment application. Okay, this is the application which I created. I think what is the application name which I created? University of. Yesterday I created one application. Anyone remembered?
That is related to
Destination
education.
education.
Hmm?
Destination education.
Destination education. Yes, it's correct. Okay, yesterday I
Oh, yes.
created some application destination education. Okay, so again I'm showing you how to create it. Just normally a brief agenda. Okay, I think some new people has been joined. That's why. Okay, I need to go into the app manager. Prakash, how to create this particular Salesforce account? It will be referred under our previous classes. Once please check the recordings, Prakash. Okay, yesterday I provided some recordings to you, Prakash.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay, so don't worry. I think it will be new for today. Definitely it is easy only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Hi Shanti. Am I audible, Shanti? Okay. Okay. We need to navigate to the app manager. And this is a free edition, Prakash. Okay. We need to go to the Salesforce Developer free edition. Okay. We need to click on account register. Developer edition sign up. You need to fill all your details, Prakash. Your first name, last name, email. Okay. Your job role, developer. Okay. And your company name. Just normally whatever it may be. And you need to select your country and you need to select your postal code. Okay, for example, your email is Prakash. 25. You need to give at the rate of 3 letters. Just you can give like this, your Gmail plus .com. Okay, you need to click on sign me up.
Sure, sure.
Everyone, the people knew. Okay, after completion of that, immediately some email will be triggered like this. Okay, like this an email will be triggered. You can click on verify account. Okay, whenever you click on verify account, we'll get as like a change password, confirm password, new password, whatever it may be, we'll get. After that, you can log into the Salesforce. Okay, these things I discussed in my previous ones. Please check the recording. Okay, immediately I'll log into Salesforce. Okay, you need to give the username, whatever. After that, you need to give the password, and immediately you can able to log in this particular Salesforce. Yeah. Okay, let me try to show. Okay, this is the interface, Prakash. Okay, let me try to show how to create an application, these particular things. Okay, I'm going to the app manager. Okay, let me try to click on new lightning app. Okay, you need to give the application name. Okay, I'm giving the application name as like yesterday I given some application name. University of Destination. Okay, yesterday I discussed this concept. Just I'm reminding it everyone. Let me try to click on next, click on next, click on next. I need to add accounts. Normally I'm clicking on next. Here you need to add system administrator. Everyone had been done this. Everyone done this. Naveen, Devadas, everyone done. Omkar, Sharayu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, we tried it doing it.
Yeah, like immediately if you clicked on save and finish, immediately the application will be created. Cancel because I created. Oh, again the application is created. Let me try to delete it. Okay, University of Destination. Yesterday I created. Let me try to delete this application because I don't need it. Yesterday I created one application. Okay, what is my application? And this is the same application like this. Application will be created. Prakash, are you able to understand still now?
Yes, yes, I'm able to follow.
Yeah, yeah. Like the same thing which I had been explained yesterday. Okay, the same thing. After that, we need to create an objects. Okay, like for example, if you take some high like educational application. For example, if you take a banking application, what are the common things are there? Everyone, like we have account, contact. Okay, to store all the credit card information, we have credit card. To store all the debit card information, we have debit card, and also to store all the person's transfer information, how much transfer you done, how much withdraw you done. Okay, if you have any invoices, like this, we have different types of information to store all the information separately. Okay, like here we are designing some educational application. Okay, we are designing some educational application. Inside the educational application, we have hiring manager, position, candidate, employee. Okay, like this, I'm creating to store all the customer information and customer demographic. Like this, I creating all the information. Okay, yesterday I created some hiring manager object. The similar pattern, I'm created position object. Okay, let us see. Let us see. Navigate to object manager. How to create an object. So for example, here I'm mentioning that I'm creating the steps each and everything. Okay, what are the things which I'm showing each and everything which is available in the notepad file. Each and pin to pin points are written. Okay, like for example, if I'm teaching the related objects, how to create an object, each and everything. Each and every pin to pin point I had been mentioned here. Okay, how to create a fields like this. Everything I mentioned. Okay, today I'm creating a new object. Click on create, click on custom object. Okay, I'm creating. Yesterday I created position object, hiring manager object. Okay, in the similar way I'm creating. Okay, like let me try to. Every position has an ID or not? Okay, for example, if any employee is there, every employee has an ID. In the similar way, every position has some ID, definitely, to indicate uniquely each and every position.
So Venkat, sorry to interrupt you.
Yes, please.
Yeah, while developing or while creating this app, so how do we get the information, all the
Okay, we'll
information? See, for
yes, 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 yes. We'll get all the information in Excel sheets. We'll get all the information in Excel sheets, Prakash. Prakash and Naveen asked this question.
Naveen.
Naveen will get all the information, okay, like through Excel sheets. As a developer, we'll get
Okay,
all the information. Based on that, we need to develop, or we'll get the Word file like this, okay. As like a user
okay. So
stories, like we'll
they
get
will give
all.
all the details, whatever the
Yes,
application.
yes, yes, yes. You need to create it based on the requirement like this. Yeah,
Okay, got it. Thank you.
thank you. Okay, we are allowing reports. Okay, I'm clicking on save. After creating an object, what I need to do? What is my next step? Okay, we need to create a tab. Then only this particular object will be visible to application, which is nothing but destination education UK. Okay, let me try to search for tab. Okay, so I'm saying again to everyone. Okay, this is your somewhat starting classes. Whenever if you done the practice, then you'll get more familiarity on things. Okay, you need to click on new. You need to select the tab. Position 14. Let me try to select the tab style. Let me try to click on next. Again, I'm clicking on next. Okay, I'm including this particular tab in destination education. See, I'm clicking on save. Okay, you can refresh your screen. Then position object will be reflected here. If it is not reflected means, yeah, yes, it is reflected. Okay, you need to click on new. Okay, so presently I did not created any fields information. That's why it is visible like this. Okay, if you clicked on save immediately, everyone able to see the position is starting with 001 Prakash and every new
Yes, yes.
people, everyone able to see. Caroline. Hello, Caroline.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry, did you ask me something?
Yes, yes, I'm asking. Like I'm asking that automatically. So starting the position ID is created with one. That is the thing I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay, because I mentioned auto number as one. That's why the position ID has been starting with one. For example, if we create a new position,
Mm-hmm.
what is the count?
002.
Yes, yes. Okay, immediately. For example, if we increase it to, so like this, the position count will be increased like this. This is the thing. This is the thing which I asked Caroline. I think Caroline is there.
Yes,
Are you able to understand, Caroline?
I don't get it yet.
Yes, yes. I think today only you newly joined the class. I can understand.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, no worries. Okay, we have some recordings. Okay, so kindly please watch the previous three, four recordings. Okay, at least
yes.
yesterday recording. You will get some able to understand. Okay, like
Okay,
I
thank
created
you.
some position ID. Okay, like for example, every position have a multiple fields. Okay, like the customer fill up multiple fields. Normally, what are the other fields? Okay, just any idea. For example, if you open some position object. Okay, any idea? Like we have position ID, position name. Any idea? Any other fields? Any idea to anyone? Just
Designation.
now.
Reporting managers.
Yes, reporting manager, HR email ID.
Hmm.
Okay, HR contact number.
Place.
Okay, like yeah, like this. Okay, so I'll show you. I created. Okay, so position name. Position name is nothing but a text field. I need to create the text field. Okay, just I created an object. I told you. I created an object. After that, I created a field. Now I created a tab. After creating an object, you need to create a tab. Then only this particular object will be visible. Okay, now I'm creating the fields. Okay, now I'm creating the fields based on the requirement. Okay, I'm creating the position name. Okay, let me try to create and navigating to the object manager. What is my object name, Naveen?
Position
Nav-
14.
Position
yes.
14.
Okay, click on new. Okay, I need to select the text. Okay, there are 19 data types are presented. Okay, so auto number, formula. Okay, this relationship, these particular things will be covered in upcoming classes. Okay, like a checkbox, currency, date time, email. Okay, to identify the location, we can mention geolocation. To identify the number, okay, input text, like this. We have different types. Okay, position name I'm mentioning as a text. In this particular position object, mostly I will try to use each and every data type. Let me try to click on next. Position name is a required field. That's why I'm mentioning as like always required. Means without this you cannot able to save the data. Click on save. Okay, position name. And job description. Job description is nothing but text area. Okay, every position has some job description. Definitely. Okay, if it's a text area long. Okay, I'm clicking on next. Okay, job description. And we have responsibilities. Okay, every position has some responsibilities. It is nothing but I'm representing as text area long. Okay, I'm clicking on new. So I'm selecting text area long. Okay, let me try to click on next. It is showing that there is a field, there is already a field name job description on position 14.
Just share my
Okay,
responsibility.
yeah. I need to create responsibilities. I think responsibilities is a long text. Okay, let me try to mention the responsibilities. Let me try to click on next. Click on next. Click on save. Okay, I created responsibilities. And also let me try to create skills required for this particular. Okay, every position there are some skills are required. It is also a text area log. After that, educational requirement, like there are some educational requirement for this particular position. Okay, like this I need to create each and everything.
Got a quick question.
Yes, please.
So while creating these things, whenever company is providing the details, it will be providing in bulk, right? So can we update things in bulk? A bulk update
No,
can
we
be done
need
in this.
like a bulk records need to be. No, company will not provide a bulk fields. Okay, max we have uh, 40 50 fields, 100, like that only. We will not provide like thousands of fields. Okay,
Hmm.
yeah, no worries on this particular, because we are not creating a single object. I think you are observing we are creating a multiple objects, means in
Yes, yes.
multiple data we are storing. Okay, like in multiple objects we are storing means. Okay, like we are partitioning that object informations. Means we are, after that we are using relationship concept to relate one object to another object. Yeah, after that we have educational requirement. Okay, the same thing, the same architecture. If you want to create another application, we need to create a database. We need to write some SQL queries. So many things. Yeah, to store this type of data types, whatever it may be, to store the data, it may take so much time. But the same thing, if it needs to be implemented in Salesforce, it will be implemented in very easy way. Yeah, that's why the time will be reduced for creating an application in Salesforce. Even in future also, I'll show you other things also. Okay, I created an educational requirements. Okay, and also like every position there is a minimum pay is there, maximum pay is there. Okay, like HR will have some minimum pay as well as a maximum pay. Okay, like it's like a currency field, minimum pay as well as a maximum pay. Let me try to create. It's like currency field. Yes, I'll show you. Okay, just I'll create these fields. After that I will show the architecture how it is showing. Okay, length I'm mentioning as a 7. Let me try to click on next, and let me try to click on next and save a new. Okay, and the maximum P. Maximum P is also a currency field. At starting initial position, okay, okay, at anything, either banking application, whatever it may be, we'll create all these particular fields. Naveen, okay, Naveen, I'm saying, I
Yes,
think
Venkat.
previously, okay, at starting any of the application, okay, we'll create all these particular fields based on the requirement. Okay, so we have a maximum pay. Okay, like that for this particular position is travel required or not. Okay, I'm creating one checkbox, travel required. Okay, for this particular position is any other external requirement like Java, JavaScript, FX like this. Like I'm creating some checkboxes. Let me try to click on new. I need to select the checkbox. Where is checkbox? Yes. Means for this particular checkbox is nothing but it will indicate like this. So for example, if it's travel required, it is enabled as this. Like this. Okay, means I'm enabling the checkbox. Okay, I'm selecting the checkbox. Let me try to click on next.
So Venkat, basically this is done by Salesforce admin, right?
No, nowadays developer is also doing because like the same task, because whenever they are recruiting, they are testing both knowledge, admin as well as a developer. I cannot estimate only admin, developer, admin also doing. Yeah. Sorry, developer
Okay.
also doing these particular things. Yeah. Because as a developer, like even we have some developers in our group, they are doing all these particular tasks. Okay, and simultaneously they're performing development tasks also. Like because for example, if you're getting some user stories, Naveen, okay, like sometimes we are getting tasks related to admin, sometimes we are getting tasks related to development. Okay, like that.
Okay.
Like parallelly they will not give. Okay, like for example, if you have 10 user stories, okay, if you got 5 user stories, 3 user stories may be admin, 2 user stories may be development, like that. It should be partition.
Now, when
Got
you're
it.
Okay,
selecting fields, Venkat, what you're going to a particular field, clicking new like this. If
uh,
what if that particular field name is not available here?
I'm clicking on new.
Yeah.
Field name or data type you are saying.
If data type is not available, what is the
That data type will be available. For example, okay, like in other like for example, just imagine, like if you have a SAP, okay, the SAP data type will be modified. Okay, the like if you take a text area, like here there in the SAP or something, for example, just imagine if you got some external Excel sheets, okay, got from SAP or something, okay, there it should be some long globe something. If it long globe means long text area something, text area long. Each and every data type is mentioned here only. The same data types. Okay, we'll create it. For example, if you
so
create a type is equal to search. Okay, just imagine if you want to type is equal to search, input type is equal to search. Just imagine like this. Okay, these are all the LWC components. Lightning hyphen type is equal to search. Mostly 90% it is available, maybe up to 5% if you told, if the type search is not there. Okay, like we need to create some LWC component. 90%, 95% up to it is available. Okay, then we need to create some LWC component. In future class, I'll tell you how to create LWC component. That's this the things. That's why I'm saying that there is some interlinkage between admin development and LWC. You need to learn both. If type is equal to search, search is not there, data type. Yeah. Okay, travel required is a checkbox. Hmm? Okay, I think travel required. I think travel required is completed. Travel required is completed. Okay, let me try to create a checkbox. That's why I'm saying that learn completely because we can independently solve our tasks. Okay, like we cannot dependent on everyone. Like if you learn each and everything, that is the thing I want to convey. Travel required checkbox. Okay, I created two checkboxes, and let me try to create another checkbox: JavaScript, Apex, Excel, PowerPoint. These are also checkboxes. Let me try to click on next. Just I'm showing you all the things. Anyone are feeling boring? The screens, like just I'm doing again and again the same step.
No, no, man.
Yeah. Everyone, please do it after completion of the class. Okay, like Apex.
Okay. So Venkat, how the front end will look? So this is a back end work, right?
Yes. Okay, after creating all this particular information, we'll place to Experience Cloud. All this okay, like in my starting classes I shown you, just I did not explain it. In future classes I'll explain normally how the front end I showed you. Okay, in my experience cloud, like we'll place all these particular objects to experience cloud what are you created. So immediately these particular objects will be displayed under the front end. Okay, if they entered any data under the front end, immediately the data will be saved to the back end.
expression I opticals మళ్ళీ
Like in my past classes I shown you. Okay, normally not past class, just only for overview I shown. If we saved any data, these things will be covered in LWC.
లేకపోతే the glasses కి టైం మనీ తీసుకుంటారు.
Okay, these things will be covered in LWC. Okay, so it is an external site. If you in this particular external site there is some objects are there. If you place the objects means immediately account, contact, opportunity, all these particular objects will be placed. Okay, if you click that particular object, if you enter some values, immediately the data will be comes to the appropriate position. For example, if you enter position object, for example, if the sales manager has been came and entered the position details, immediately the position details will be saved to the backend. You got my point? It is like customer site. Hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yeah, Venkat. Yeah, got it.
Yes,
But
yes,
Someone
after
yes.
asked.
developing, yeah, see,
Yes.
if there are some changes again, they want to add any other fields or
Yes, we
anything.
can add
So
it.
can we?
We can
Okay,
yes, we can add it. That's a support team is there now. That's a support team positions are also there now. Yeah. Like
no,
in every technology, there is some support team is also there. They are doing all this particular any some additional functionalities.
got
Okay,
it.
Apex Excel PowerPoint. I'm creating another checkbox. Okay, Apex, Excel, PowerPoint, and Word team building. Check boxes, Word team building. Okay, I'm clicking on next. I'll create a page layout also. Okay, today. Like, let me try to click on next. Okay, after that, I'm clicking on team building is also one of the checkbox. Okay, let me try to click on team building. Click on next. Okay, team building is also checkbox. And it is a date field. Okay, date field hide by means this particular position will be hide by this particular date. Close date is also this particular date. That's a hide by close date. It is date. Click on new. Let me try to click on date. Okay, I'll show how it looks like also. Wait for 1 minute, I'll show it. Caroline, are you able to understand the things whatever I'm explaining?
Um, I'm just still watching. Maybe by the end of the day, when I go through the other
Okay, fine, Caroline.
link,
Okay,
yeah.
yeah,
Thank you.
okay. This particular position is been closed by close date. I'm clicking on next. I'm creating close date. Let me try to click on next. Okay, I'm clicking on next. I'm clicking on save. Means I created all these particular fields. Okay, there is some other fields are there like location. It's like a pick list fields. Okay, okay, pick list fields yesterday I shown you. These are the pick list fields. Okay, these are the pick list fields. Okay, let me try to create a pick list field like this. Means I need to select which data type Prakash. Pick list.
List under
Yeah.
the data type.
Yes. Okay, I'm selecting the location. So we need to select all these things. Location. Okay. So in real time they will give you time. It's not been hurry burry, they will give you time. Okay. Maybe they'll give 1 day, sometimes like that. That's will get lot of time. If you are perfect in the things means you'll get a lot of time to do the things. At initial stages of the projects, we'll do this all this architecture. Let me try to click on next.
So normally, how much time it will take to create all this application details, Venkat?
Based on the requirement, they will give the time. Okay, based on the requirement, it may take. So we cannot estimate it. Some they will give the time. Okay, definitely they will give the time. Even it may takes less time. Also, they'll give time. Okay, you can do the things because as a developer, we need to do everything in a appropriate manner. Okay, they'll give time. Yeah, but it will be done fastly only. Okay, the time will be. I'll give you damn sure. The time will be more time is there for you. Definitely. As my previous project I had an experience, definitely more time is there. In if you have good experience in each and everything, okay, within 1 hour you can develop the things, and after that you can manage the time. Yeah. Okay, just I'm placing status. I did not discuss about page layouts, record types. Let me try to discuss after completion of this. If there is a time, I'll discuss. Otherwise, I'll discuss tomorrow the page layouts, record types. Okay, for the position object, hiring manager object, each and everything I'll discuss tomorrow. Let me try to go step by step. Instead of building all the things at a time, I'll go step by step. Okay, I created some of the fields. Okay, and also type functional area. Okay, I created some of the field. Let me try to go. Let first of all I need to navigate to where I need to go to the position, page layout. I need to click on save. Sometimes it will not be uploaded. That's I'm opening again. Let me try to go to the position object. You can click on new. Yes. Everyone able to see all the fields?
Yes, 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 sir.
Yes.
Okay, so all the fields is appeared. Caroline. Okay, job description, Salesforce developer. Means this is a required field. If you clicked on save without this field, it will not save. It will raise that please complete this error. Okay, like when you are entering some PAN card details or whatever it may be, if you did not enter your at least one details, whatever it may be, it will show the error like this. Aadhaar code, like in other countries, social security number. Okay, it's like a checkbox I told you previously. Okay, normally skills, Salesforce. Okay, graduation, any graduation. Okay, minimum pay 12 lakhs, 1, 2, 3, 50 or 20 lakhs. Okay, hire by. Okay, we can hire by this particular position by 10th. Okay, close the date. Close the date of this particular position is just normal. I'm mentioning one of the date. Okay, location. Okay, it's like Hyderabad or San Francisco. Okay, status. It's like a new position. Let me try to click on save. Everyone able to see the details? It is saved to that appropriate position object.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
But I think this fields Prakash, by seeing this layout, is it in structured format because it is displaying instead of displaying side by side, it is displaying at a time once. Are you able to see it, Prakash?
Yes, yes, I can see. It is one sequence
Yeah.
from top to bottom.
Yes. If you want to change the sequence, you can modify here. Okay. Okay. You can create a new page layout also. Okay. You can create a new page layout also. Like just they if they you can it means you can create different types of sections also.
Yeah,
Okay. Like we
can we
have.
create
Yes,
sections
I'll create.
by data types?
I'll create sections, not data types like this. Okay, like for example, if you have position, okay, like let me try to create HR information like this. Okay, I'm creating one section, HR information. Okay, let me try to click on HR information. Okay, like whatever the HR information, like HR email ID. Okay, like what, like skills. I'm creating another section for skills. Okay, I'm creating for skills. Under the skills, you're placing this FX. You can drag and drop. Excel, Java, JavaScript. Okay, you can place all these things. Just I'm dragging and dropping it. Okay, Word. This is also one of the skill. Okay, just I'm clicking on all this. Travel required. Okay, it's not skill. Team building is also another skill. Okay, if you want to click on save, immediately the data will be saved. See, the data is saved. Let me try to refresh my screen. If it is not displayed, it may take some time. Let me try to open again. Okay, just log out and log in again. Is everyone able to see?
Okay, there are sections created.
Yeah, I think hope it looks good as compared to previous. Okay, position
Yes.
name Salesforce. Okay, this is the thing. Okay,
Venkat,
close the div.
how did you define? I'm sorry to interrupt you. How did you define mandatory fields?
Okay, so we need to enable always required checkbox when you are creating field. I'll show you. I'll create another field. I'll show you. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Just we need to go to the fields and relationships. Okay, like previously we created some information. No. Let me try to continue other fields also. Okay. Like we have status. Status we create a type. We'll create a type. Status I did not create it. I hope so. Let me search for status. I created. Let me try to create a type. Type. It's a pick list field. Okay, I'm clicking on new. Okay, I'm clicking on next. I'm selecting on type. I'm copying all these fields. Just I'm selecting the fields. Full time, part time, internship, contract or something. Okay, everyone able to see that? I think here, yeah, everyone able to see always required. Someone asked.
Yes, yes, yes.
This is the thing you need to enable. If you want to make required, click on next.
Okay.
Click on save. And we have other functional area. Okay, it is also a pick list. It is also a pick list functional area. Click on new. Select the pick list. It's like a functional area. This time selecting in information technologies belongs to IT sector. And I'm selecting the retail operations, warehousing, and also I'm selecting the miscellaneous. These are all the things. Okay, let me try to click on next. Okay, I'm selecting visible. And let me try to click on next and let me try to click on save. I created one pick list functional area. Okay, job level is also pick list only. Anyone are feeling boring? These things?
No, Venkat.
Prakash, Arvind. Yeah,
No, no, not at all.
just I'm placing all this.
Your volume is bit low, Venkat.
Huh? Hello, you're saying
Yeah, no,
something?
no, your volume was little low. So
Okay. Is it audible? Is it audible?
yeah, it's fine now.
Okay, fine, fine. From start onwards or now only?
No, 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 just now, just now.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay. Like working days. Okay, working days, it's like a multiple list. Means a multiple values you can select. Okay, multiple values. You can select at a time multiple values. Okay, it's a multi-pick list. Okay, I'm selecting the pick list multi-select. I'm selecting as like a working days. It's like a multi-pick list means multiple values you can select. Okay, you can select multiple values here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can select all these particular 5 values. It's like a multi-pick list.
bathroom point.
It's, let me try to click on next. I'm clicking on save.
Okay.
Okay, like certifications. Certifications is nothing but text area rich. Okay, text area rich. Okay, text area rich. You can able to see the data type. Okay, this data type is very powerful. We can upload the images of that certifications also. Okay, it's like a text area rich. I'm covering every data type mostly. Okay, text area rich. Okay, just I'm clicking on next. Enable this checkbox visible. Click on next. Click on save and new. And another thing is you can upload the images also under the certifications text area rich. Okay, like we have other details like HR contact number. Every position has some HR contact number. Every position has some HR email ID. Okay, like contact number. It's like a phone data type. HR contact number will represent phone. Okay, like if anyone are interested, kindly please contact the team. Okay, the drive access will be provided. I'll upload the notes also, whatever it may be, the today's class. I think for the registered students, they have an access. Just I'm uploading. Like this, I'll upload. Okay, what are the things which I'm teaching? Each and everything I'm uploading. Just I'll create another folder like a docs, new folder, documents for admin. Like we'll place this particular information. Move. Okay, I think this is in a structured format. Okay, all these particular videos. Okay, today's video also after our team came, then they will upload this particular class also. Yeah, like this we'll upload. Okay, just I'm clicking on next. Can you please unmute your mic? Classes something person, you cannot able to find the name. Okay, I'm clicking on next. I'm clicking on save and new. Okay, and also HR email ID. HR email ID is nothing but email data type. Email data type. Okay, let me try to click on next. Okay, if you want to required, you need to mention always required. Otherwise, click on next. And after that, so maximum budget for this particular position, milestone date, minimum budget. Okay, these particular things are common. Okay, maximum budget is nothing but number field. And also we have minimum budget. We have maximum budget and also we have minimum budget. Minimum budget is also nothing but number field. Okay, it is like a minimum budget. Okay, but if you want to edit this field, how it is possible? See, minimum budget I created. If you want to edit, click on edit. Okay, you can modify it, no worries. If you want to change the field type also, you can change it. Click on save. Okay, you can modify the field structure also. Okay, number of position for this particular. Okay, it's like open date. Passport required for this particular thing. Open date. Like I'm mentioning as like open date. And also passport required for this particular checkbox is passport is required or not. Okay, passport required is also one of the checkbox. Okay, let me try to click on visible. Click on next, click on save. Okay, passport required is one of the checkbox. And another thing is position description. It's like a long text area. Okay, position description. It's like a long text area. Click on new. Okay, it's like long text area. The first three lines are visible. Click on next. Okay, click on next. Click on I'm enabling this visible button. Click on next. Okay, click on save. I created all these particular fields, but this particular field will be covered under relationships concept. Okay, the next concept after this is I think maybe in Friday I'll start this. So it's like a position description still now. Everyone is clear still now, whatever I explained. Everyone is clear.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
We
Venkat.
need to practice.
Yes, of course it's correct. We need to practice. Okay, like I created some other fields now if you want to like a place. Like previously I place HR information. Under this we'll place HR contact number and HR email ID. All these particular details. Okay, I'll place this information. Let me try to click on save. I created this layout, position layout. I'm clicking on save again. Okay, let me try to refresh the screen. If it is not applied means don't worry. Okay, if it is not applied means no worries. Let me try to open destination UK application once again. Otherwise log out and log in again. Then it will be reflected. Is everyone able to see? Like a text area rich. It's like you can upload the images also. Everyone able to see?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
It
Venkat.
clearly looks the same thing if you want to design in other technologies, definitely it may take so much plenty of time. Okay. Yeah. Because here it's very easy as comparing to other. That's why even we can develop applications in easy manner. Okay, we can place easily. Just by drag and drop, we can place it to Experience Cloud. Okay, by drag and drop. First of all, we need to create all this through database admin. Again, we can drag and drop to place it in Experience Cloud. Then customers or whatever it may be, the people who are need to be fill this data, they can able to select. It's like a multi-pick list. Open date. Yes. Apex, Java, not Java required, PowerPoint, team building, JavaScript, Word. Normally I'm enabling all these checkboxes. This is the thing. See, the separate section also came for this. I think is it looks good in real time also like this only with multiple fields. Is it looks good, everyone?
Yes.
Looks good.
Uh,
Yes.
Yes.
okay, this is the thing. Like, can I start record types today or can I start tomorrow? Record types. I'll start tomorrow. I think I'll start tomorrow. Okay. Like how to create a
Okay.
record type inside. Yeah. How to create a record types inside this particular objects. Okay. And how to create some other extra fields. All these particular things. Let me try to discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay. Like this is about today's class, and kindly please join the tomorrow's class also at the same timings. Okay, everyone, I'm saying that if anyone are interested, I hope everyone listen my classes, whatever it may be. The past, I think everyone understand about my teaching. If anyone are interested, once please contact your team. Okay, then complete the further process. Okay, we create a drive, we'll give the access for that particular drive. Yeah, this is about today's class team. Thank you everyone.